Hello, Gull Lake. It's Tuesday, April 28th. Got a math problem for you today. You ready? Okay, the first thing is remember that if you get a single digit number, there's a zero in front of it. So if I ask you to add digits, don't forget to add that zero. So for example, when I say 7, it would be 0 plus 7. Okay, here we go. I am going to read your mind. So think of a number between 1 and 10. Okay, take that number, multiply it by 9. So your number times 9. Now that number you have, add those two digits together. So if you had 18, it would be 1 plus 8. So now take your number and subtract 5 from that. So now I have a new number, and now your new number, correspond that number with a letter in the alphabet. So for example, if it's a 1, it's an A, 2 is a B, and so on. Okay? So now with that letter, think of a state in the United States that starts with that letter. So if you had an A, it would be Alabama. Okay, so now get that state that starts with that letter. Okay, have your state. As you spell it out, take the second letter of that state. So for example, if I had Alabama, it would be L. Okay, so you have your letter, second letter of that state. Now take that letter and then correspond it to an animal. So if I had L, I would say lion. Okay, so think of an animal that starts with that letter. And wait a minute. Why are you thinking about elephants in Delaware? There are no elephants in Delaware unless it's a zoo. With that, be safe, stay healthy, and go Gull Lake.